Hi, I'm Ash and I'm a founder of FestOffice.com, a digital marketing agency. Today I would like to share how to add a Facebook pixel code to your Unbounce landing pages. If you set up the pixel right, this is how it would look like. You can see that I am tracking conversions for a particular campaign for which conversions was a chosen objective. Facebook has made it easy to track conversions from your campaigns with what Facebook calls as a pixel. The base code of the pixel tracks page views and visits. Another element of the code of the pixel is known as the event code, and this piece of code tracks events like search, view content, purchases, checkout, and lead registration. Normally, this should be easy, but because Unbounce is a drag and drop builder, you are not exactly dealing with a simple HTML page setup. And for that reason, it gets a little tricky when you're working with Unbounce landing pages. Now, to work, create, and manage with your Facebook pixel, you would get to Business Manager, click on the top left corner, find pixels. Note that you can only have one pixel per advertising account. Click on Actions, view your pixel code, and copy the code. Head out to your Unbounce landing page. Now you would want to track visits to the main page and you would want to track lead signups on the thank you page. On the Unbounce page builder, look to the bottom to find where it says JavaScript. Click on JavaScript, click on Facebook Pixel. This was already added, but I'm going to add it again for you. FB Pixel. And I will copy paste the code the way it is. Please be sure to pick head as the placement area for the pixel. Save code and save the page. Next, you would want to add the event code to the thank you page. So for Unbounce, that's the form confirmation dialog box. Click on form confirmation dialog. This is the page that shows up after lead signs up. You would be adding two pieces of Facebook pixel here. One, the usual base code, the one that you've used before, and the other one is that extra snippet of code that will go along with this particular base code on this page. So click on JavaScript, click on add new JavaScript, call this a pixel. So the same code will go here too. As usual, you would be using head for the base code and you save code. Now head back to your AdWords manager, click on view pixel code, find that specific event code that you need depending on your campaign. In my case, it's a lead, so I copy the lead part of the snippet of the code. I'll come back to my Unbounce page. On the form confirmation dialog, I would add another script called Facebook event and make sure that this particular script is not on the head but it's before body and tag for Unbounce. Click on save code, republish the page. To check if your pixel is firing, use a little Chrome browser extension called Facebook Pixel Helper. When you install it, it sits on the top right corner, as you can see here. Load the actual landing page as I did just now, and if you click on that Facebook Pixel Helper, you'll be able to see that the page view has been triggered. You can even check for the details of that page view. This is the kind of information that's going back to Facebook right now. Now you would want to also see if your Facebook pixel is firing for the lead. So I would want to fill up my information and click on that sign up. Now somebody has signed up on my page for my particular offer on my landing page. This is supposed to fire the lead pixel, which you can see is being fired already. Right here. You can even set the value and the currency parameters depending on the campaign you're running. Now you might have to wait for a full 24 hours or so for you to see the Facebook recording pixels on your advert manager, so don't go tearing up your hair just yet. You're good to go. That's how you set up a Facebook pixel code for your Unbounce landing pages. Please let me know if you have any questions below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and you go cracking on your campaigns. Stay profitable, go make some money.